2019 is almost over, guys. Oh my god, I can't even believe this. It's 25th of December. Merry Christmas, guys. So I have recorded this very simple, very beginners friendly, because I'm a beginner in doing my makeup. So I've recorded this very simple party look. If you have any plans of going out on New Year's Eve, you can do this look. It's a smoky eye, and I have used one eye pencil, like eyeshadow pencil from Kiko Milano. I've used that to create this very simple smoky look, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Asta, and if you are already a fellow subscriber, welcome back. And I hope you guys had amazing year, and you are really pumped up for the upcoming year. So the products I've used in this video are my absolute favorite. I've been using this product past year, and kuch khatam ho gaye the isme, so I've repurchased them. So they are like my absolute favorite. I use them regular. Apart from few products here and there, these are my holy grail makeup products. I usually don't wear this much makeup on everyday basis. I don't. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that. So if you are not yet following me on Instagram, you can check it out. You will find some fashion inspiration, some makeup inspiration, and some home decor inspiration as well. I am planning to be more consistent on YouTube, and thank you for all your patience, and thank you for sticking around. A lot of new content will be coming your way in this new year, so look out for new videos. So all the products used will be listed in the description box. You can check that out if you want to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit the subscribe button and like button. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in new year.